How to set up contacts section in GreenTick.
Hello, welcome to Green Tech. So, before we get started by sending a single WhatsApp message from here, you need to set up your contacts properly. Let's have a quick walkthrough. Go to contact section. Here you have the option of manage, watch tutorial, and add contact, and also contact limit. Here it is 5,000, but then in the free plan you get 100, or you can increase it by buying premium plans. Now click on manage. In manage, click on labels. Labels are nothing but as groups. It lets you segment your list, like maybe customer base 1, customer base 2, or lead, or VIP, etc. These are helpful when you want to target a certain set of numbers. So you can go on add label, add a label name like lead group X. So this is your label name. Click on add label, and then all your labels will be shown here. See, there are so many labels, and whichever list and numbers you have added to this particular label, it will be under them. You can also edit it by clicking on this pencil icon. You can edit the name and click on update label, or you can also delete it. Again, go to manage, and there is another option called as attributes. Attributes are nothing but which describe the labels. So these are nothing but certain set of custom fields, like maybe a city, maybe a person's name, or beyond name like age or something, and then country, your address, email ID. So these are describing your labels. For that, you need to click on attribute, add attribute. Maybe you want to describe city. This is your attribute name. This is the field. Click on add attribute, and then all your attributes are here, like city, phone name, and country. So these will describe your particular label or the contact. Finally, you can add the contact. Hit on add contact. Once you hit on add contact, first I would suggest you to fill in the phone number, add the country code, say 91, and then add the 10-digit number. There should not be any plus signs or any commas or any spaces. This is how you put a number here. And you can add the first name, last name, any labels you want to add, or the attributes. You can select on the labels, like maybe I want it in lead group X, and then if you want to add the attribute, you need to select it as maybe country. I will add it as India, and then hit on add contact. See, if there is already a number existed, then it will show exist, so you can add another number. Click on add contact, and now your contact will be added. Phone number is compulsory. Rest, the name, any other attribute or any other labels, all these are optional, but I would suggest you can add all these so that you have a good contextual target when you're sending out this broadcast. Here again, same, but finally you can add the contact. Hit on add contact. Once you have added this, you can also edit it or delete it by clicking on this pencil icon, changes, and then click on update contact, or maybe you can delete by clicking on the red trash icon. So this is how you add a contact. Once you Moving on to importing and exporting of your contacts. This is helpful when you have a huge list and you cannot do it manually. There is also an option of sample format of how your Excel should be before importing. I have created one. Let me show you. There are a few attributes like name. This is country, this is city, and the phone number. This is very crucial. Phone number should have the country code and the 10-digit number towards the right. And there are no plus signs, no commas, and no spaces here. This is how you set up your Excel sheet. Now go back to your dashboard, click on import contacts, select your file to be imported, and then now you can see all your contacts has been imported, and these are the basic info, that is your number with country code. These are the contact attributes like name, country, city, etc. And if you want to edit this, you can click on this edit button. Here you can also add your contact in the particular label. For example, you want this to be in the new lead, and then show all attributes. If you want to change the name, you can change the name from Logan to Garrett, and click on update contact. Your contact will be updated in just a few seconds. Moving on to importing and exporting of your contacts. This is helpful when you have a huge list and you cannot do it manually. There is also an option of sample format of how your Excel should be before importing. I have created one. Let me show you. There are a few attributes like name, this is country, this is city, and the phone number. As you can see, your contact has been updated here. If you do not want to update here, you can directly import these contacts. When you go to broadcast, click on new broadcast. Here you can directly import your contact list as well. This is another option. And moving back to the dashboard, there is also another option of exporting. You want to export this completely again for your file, like you want to do this again, you can click on export. Next, coming to search, you can also search your contact. Like maybe Alex, I want to search where is Alex. You can just type their name, and then you can get their contact. You can see here. Or else you also have option of filter. Here you can filter by contact labels, maybe add customer base one, and you can also add the date range from so and so, and then you can get your contact directly. And then there's also option of sorting, either latest or oldest or name A to Z. All these things also you can sort and get your contacts. So this is how you organize these contacts. Once everything is done, you're set to broadcast and you can start sending out your campaigns. So still not subscribed to Green Tick, then link in the description below, and wait for the upcoming videos of templates and broadcast. Green Tick official WhatsApp broadcast from hello to soul. Thank. Next, coming to search, you can also search your contact.